Hey guys, this is Carl. Welcome to my old car garage. We're going to start some work on this 1961 Comet that I got. I bought it a long time ago. I think it was 2011. And it is registered. I do have papers for it. I gave $500 for it. It's 1961 Comet. And first thing I want to do, what we're going to do today is I'm going to put a new spark plug. Well, we're going to put a high battery in it to make sure it still turns over, that the engine turns over. And we're going to see if it fires. We'll go to where. Stick around, guys. Let's see if this is going to work out. We're going to go ahead and change some plugs. Before we do that, I went ahead and got 6 plugs. The vehicle has a straight 6 in it, 3 on the tree. And we're going to go ahead and change the plugs out, see if there's fire, and we'll go from there. Don't go nowhere. Alright guys, as you can see, it's a little rough. My intent is to go ahead and get these plugs out, put the plugs in, and go start from there, see what we have as far as the engine's concerned. Now, just so you'll know, I'm just a retired guy with an old car, and my dream is to get it on the road. So, I'm not an expert. I'm not a mechanic by trade, never have been, but I do know a little bit about mechanic work, know nothing about body work. So I'm hoping all my audience at least can guide me through this and get me through. And I don't have a lot of money to put into it, and I'm hoping you guys can guide me along. Well, let's see. Let's get this number 2 plug out here, second plug out. If the engine runs, if it turns over, I believe it's going to at some point start. Better sooner than later for me. This plug is black and doesn't look any good, so I'm glad I'm changing the plugs. They're not that expensive. Well, I can go ahead and change it. Like I started to say, my intent is, if this thing runs at some point, I'm hoping to be able to get some help in taking the engine out, cleaning it up, maybe painting it up. That way I can paint, do some work on the inside as far as the vehicle's concerned, and at least get it looking a little decent. And guys, don't make fun of my spark plug wrench. I'm lucky I have this one. I am going to go buy a better one to fit my socket set, but I didn't have one to do this, and I wanted to do this video today, so here we are. But at least I do have tools. I just didn't have a spark plug wrench. So don't be too critical of me on your comments. I'm looking for as much help as I can get. And click that button and subscribe to my channel, guys. We are new, and this is new to me, and I'm hoping and praying that the good Lord will give me time to finish this vehicle and have part of my past. And by the way, if this engine, for whatever reason, fails to run, I have a straight six complete with transmission and everything from a 1966 Ford Mustang that a friend of mine gave to me. So, and it does run, but I'm hoping this one runs to keep it all original. And I'm hoping to go this way. Right. Plug this one back in. Okay. Alright guys, as soon as I finish putting these plugs in, I'll be right back with you. Don't go nowhere. Okay guys, I put the plugs in. I left the first plug out and I'm going to check the fire, see what happens, and we'll go from there. First thing I want to do though is get in it and turn the ignition switch, see if that turns over the engine. So let me do that real quick. Hang on 1 second. Alright, nothing by ignition switch. So let's check, let's just jump off the solenoid with a screwdriver. Let's see if we get anything, the engine to turn over for us. Okay, it does turn over. See if we got any kind of fire. Alright guys, no fire coming from that plug. So maybe the points. So what I'll do now for my next episode, if you will, is get a set of points for this thing and put some points in it and then see if we get fire that way. So I want to do all this, make sure this engine at least fires and can run at some point. So there you have it guys. Episode 1, engine does turn over. However, if you turn the key it doesn't turn over. You jump the solenoid, it does. So maybe we have an ignition problem. Anyway, we'll see you next video guys. Please leave comments. I don't know what I'm doing. And guide me through this, guys. We appreciate it. Also, subscribe to my old car garage. This is Carl. God bless you guys. We'll see you next time.